Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you the new AI Select, which helps you clip images from the web. So the new AI Select tool, part of the One UI 8, makes saving images from the web a breeze. So you can basically simply press and hold on an image in your browser and Samsung's AI intelligently clips it, removes the background and lets you save or share it instantly. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open up Google Chrome and I've just basically searched for models. So let's go ahead and search for a model which we want to clip. So let's just say, for example, this person here. Now I just want to go ahead and clip this person. I don't want the background. So in order to do this, I'll go ahead and bring out the AI Select. Now I can go ahead and create a box. As you can see, it's already selected for me. Now I can go ahead and long press on the model. So as you can see, it's clipped the model only and it's removed the background for me. Now I can go ahead and save this as a sticker. I can go ahead and pin this, copy it, share it, or even save it as an image. So let's just go ahead and pin it. Let's see what happens. So as you can see, it's been pinned. If I press home, now the image is right here. I can go ahead and download this as well, or I can just go ahead and minimize this. Okay, if I download this, this will be downloaded into my gallery. As you can see, it's been downloaded in my gallery. So like this, I can easily create transparent PNGs for memes, collages, or work. AI automatically detects the subject, no manual editing needed. You can save time when designing, creating, or sharing visuals on your Samsung Galaxy device. So there you go guys, that is how to use a new AI Select, which helps you clip images from the web on your Samsung Galaxy device.